Court concluded on Tuesday with the final redirect of the final witness. Upon the conclusion of that, the jury members were distributed legal-sized paper where they could write down the missing pieces that they felt will help them come to a decision on this trial. Both the defense and prosecution took a look at those papers so they could creatively craft their closing arguments, which we will hear today. Make sure you're looking at our syllabus. We have quite a few things due in the next few weeks with finals slowly approaching. Make sure you stay up to date on everything happening in this class through our Twitter page. We'll keep you updated on all due dates and everything like that. And one just final reminder, we will have closing arguments up on YouTube by the end of the day tomorrow so you can look at them to help you with these final projects. If you have any questions, make sure you tweet at us at UNCO_89. Reporting live in studio, I'm Jackie Plizzi, UNCO 89.